Alright guys, so here's how to remove background noise in Audacity. So let's get started. So let me just record audio from here. Alright, so as you can see, we got our audio. So let me just stop it right now. And now if you zoom into the audio, here as you can see there are less noise, but there is noise actually. So this is the noise we want to remove. First you need to select the noise. Okay, don't select the voice, you need to select the empty point, like there is nothing you are saying. You need to select those parts. Also you can select this part, as this is the noise part as well, so you can select that one. Simply go with the effect option, and then from here you need to go with the noise removal. Select that, and from here first you need to go with the noise reduction. So select this option. So first you need to get the noise profile. So for that reason we have selected the empty part or the noise part without your voice. All right, so you need to now tap on the get noise profile like this. And now after that you need to select all of your voice, and then again go to the effect, then go to the noise removal and repair, then go with the noise reduction. So you can change the sensitivity up and down, like the noise reduction. If you want high noise reduction, then you can go and play around with it, but I think the default settings works absolutely fine for me. You can simply play around with this option and simply tap on the preview button to hear the actual audio. So just hear it up and play around with these options. All right, so after doing so you need to tap on the OK, and as you can see there is no actual noise right over here right now. So that's how you can simply remove noise on Audacity. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.